In this video, I will be showing you how to download the popular ROM hack known as Pokémon Unbound. This is honestly one of the best fan-made Pokémon games that features Generation 8 mechanics with a completely new storyline that takes place in the Boris region. With that, the first step in getting this ROM is to first navigate to the official Pokémon Unbound website linked below, where we will download the newest version of the game. Here we'll be sent to a MediaFire site where we will click download on the Pokémon Unbound official patch file. After this next step, we're going to need to obtain a GBA ROM of Pokémon Fire Red. Now for legality reasons, I can't show you where to get this ROM, however, hypothetically, if you were to search GBA Advanced ROM Squirrels on the internet, you might be able to find something that relates. Now that we have both the Unbound Patch and the Fire Red ROM downloaded, we are going to need to create a folder called Unbound. Here we're going to extract the contents of both the Fire Red GBA file as well as the Unbound Patch file into the new Unbound folder that we just created. Once everything is in one place within the Unbound folder, we'll then head to the following website and download a UPS patcher. Once downloaded, we'll extract the files within and double-click on the UPS Patcher executable file. It'll open up a small application where we'll select Apply UPS Patch to File. Under the section labeled File to Patch, we'll select the GBA Fire and Red file. Then under the section labeled UPS Patch, we'll select the Unbound file and hit Patch. With that, a new GBA file will be created, which now contains the Pokémon Unbound game. And just to minimize the confusion, I'm going to go ahead and just name this Pokémon Unbound. Now you might already have a way to play this, but if not, I suggest heading over to this site where we'll download a Game Boy Advance emulator. Once downloaded, we'll follow the steps to install the application on our device. After the emulator is installed, we'll open it up and go to File, where we'll then load in the newly created Pokémon Unbound ROM. And just like that, Pokémon Unbound should start up with no error. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.